Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. I want to take this sell right here. Let's go. On the next candle, I go 2 trades right here because I believe we should have a next red one. I mean, the next candle should be red because we have this strong supply. And when it comes to above this ABC, most likely the sellers are gonna enter because they're gonna be triggered, and I'm pretty sure we have something. Okay, this is the supply for us, and when we exceed this, they just enter, right? This is the reason behind this trade, but I took it on the next trade. This right here, it's a major ranging market while we previously had this downtrend, and now we are inside of this range, double bottom here, and then all right, this trade is about to close. You need to really give close attention to ABCs because, you know, when we have ABC, we're going to have something inside of it. Okay, for example, this ABC, of course, it's going to have something inside of it, right? All right, this is the supply right here, which is not fresh. Let's go to lower time frame. Yeah, we have something inside of it. See that? So the market's movement is based on these small supply and demands, which we don't see in the 1 minute. So we need to go to lower time frame to confirm that. Okay, this is the supply. Beautiful. See, it touched and it went up. For this one as well, we had something inside of it. It touched and it dropped. After breaking this one, it will create another ABC, and then it will touch it, and then it will go up. All right, this is another example. You see this ABC. Let's just see what we have inside of it. All right, we have this supply, I mean demand, and if I go to 1 step lower, all right, we don't see. Okay, we have this one right here. Let me just mark it for you. Sometimes also we don't have nothing inside of it. We have nothing inside of it, so that way we're not going to take a trade. Okay, so it's not happening inside of every single ABC, right? So yeah, this is the entry. In case if the price comes up here, it will most likely have a reaction from it. I'm not saying 100% of them work, but in most cases, if you're in the correct market, it will work out. Okay, so I'm just set an alarm here. For example, this one, I see this ABC, but it's been too long that the market hasn't reached up, right? So this less likely for this one to work out. Okay, you need to take that into account. Let me just see this one. All right, here's the supply. See that? I will take it just to see what's going on. Let me draw this line right here. So if it comes up on this line, I will take the trade. But normally I wouldn't like taking this trade because it's been too late. Okay, it's been okay. I take it right here. I should have took it smaller, but that's fine. We got pretty nice entry, to be honest with you. I was planning to enter here, but market moved fast and I entered right here. Most of the time I guess some trash entries, but this one was nice. That was nice. Okay, 2, 1. Oh my god, that was close. See that? When we have, like, we have 2 type of setups, right? One is like we create ABC and the market immediately comes to this supply area and reject, and one is we have ABC, it goes, like, plays around for a long time, create some range and stuff, then it comes down. Okay, this one's going to be accurate. In most cases it can just reach, like, cross that and not respect that nicely. Okay, and this is called late retest, and the faster one's called fast retest. For example, look at this one. This is ABC to the downside and it comes up immediately, so this is fast retest, right? and the previous examples as well. Let me just see the trade we took. Okay, this one, see that? A, B, C, it comes down pretty fast. Again, A, B, C, it comes up pretty fast for this one. See that? This is called fast retest, and that's much better compared to the late retest. All right, we are inside of this ranging market. We have broken this doji, but we have a gap down in the favor of buyers, so it just makes it unsafe to take the trade. We have this first, second, third. If we were breaking this one, okay, it would be a doji break and also a third touch breakout. Okay, you know what third touch breakout is, right? First touch, second touch, lower low, and then third touch, break. Okay, we have first touch, second touch, lower low, third touch could break that, and also we got this doji break. It would be nice, but it didn't happen. That's fine, okay? Yeah. Alright, again, we see two dojis right here, right? But if we break these two, it's going to be a double doji breakout. But the bad thing about this is it's against the market movement, right? Market is moving up like crazy, major and also minor. See, it's against the major and minor trend. It's so dangerous to take this. Some of you take this kind of trade and you're like, oh, why did I lose that? Why it works for a doc and it doesn't work for me? It's because you don't consider things that I consider, right? If it was breaking, it would be a high risk trade, even though it's double doji breakout. And now, if we break this from the downside, it would be in the direction of the trend, right? So I will take it. I will also take a double trade on this one for you to see. If we have major and minor uptrend like this, we don't want to go against it, okay? Here, if we were breaking this one from the upside, it would be a sell trade and it would be against the major and minor trend. But this one is with the minor and major trend, right? So that's why it's nice. I will take other pairs. Okay, this one is about to close. It's also some kind of exhaustion. And I will check this engulf as well for you to see what we have inside of it. Let's just go to lower time frame. Yes, we see that. We already see this fresh demand area, which market touched, right? I just want to clear something out. Markets keeps moving between supply and demand, right? Supply and demand, it keeps switching between them, okay? And when we have them broken, it becomes the opposite one. When we have a supply broken, it becomes a demand, etc. Okay, let me see. Yeah, look at this one. This is a supply, right? It rejected once and then it broken, then it became demand. See, it touched here, it went up again. Since it's still demand, it came up again inside of it and it went up. And after coming inside of this supply, it created another one, okay, which is this one, which we have something inside of it. See, the market works in layers, right? We can also call this a small QM. See that? See, small QM, beautiful small QM. And if you remember, if you're one of the oldest followers, you know that what QM is, right? If you don't, watch the video. But in this QM, we have also the entry. See this? Lower time frame entry. So everything matches up for this trade. Some of you might take a sell right here and you're like, oh, the market's dropping, I'm going with the seller. No, it's not. See this major uptrend? minor uptrend. Okay, it's also double doji break, that's why I took 2 trades on this one. How many trades? All right, beautiful. Yesterday market was tough and I wasn't able to find good setups, and I took only freaking 3 trades, as you can see right here, and it just stopped after that. Okay, look at this one, guys. What do you see here? If we can call this a well-respected support, okay, it doesn't look good, right? Doesn't look good, but we have something inside of it, you know. Okay, the market, see how it moves. It moves like this, went up, and now most likely it's going to come down. So probably we're in the direction of the market if we take a sell right here. Okay, let me just set an alarm here. Oh, what was it? Okay, do you remember this ABC at the beginning of the video? Do you remember this? It finally came down and it reacted from it. Okay, look at this. We have marked that. Look at that. In 5-second supply, see this? At the beginning of the video, it touched and boom. And we would win this trade. Okay, see? We would enter exactly right here and the candle close exactly right here. Some of you asked, should I wait for candle to close and take the trade? No, but in this setup, we don't wait for candle to close, okay? Make sure you're on flag mode, +1, and this one on 0. These three factors are so important. All right, I'm taking this one very small, very small, because let's go. Because this is not a very nice support. This is just, it's not very respected, right? We have something like, if we were facing something like this, and then this one would be broken, it would be nice, okay? Then we would look up for decision point inside of it. But in this case, we only have like a couple of inconsistent touches right here. That's why I wouldn't really love this. But in general, we found the supply inside of it. See that? Did I mark it? Yeah, this is the supply, and it is fresh, okay? Supply should be fresh. Look at this one up here. Is this fresh? It's not fresh because you see this shadow has been went inside of it. So it makes it unfresh. Sometimes unfresh ones also work, but I don't like them. That's why I only take the fresh ones, okay? Yeah, I'm just gonna stop right here. I hope you enjoyed. Please only use the link in the description to join the Telegram channel. There's a lot of scammers, so the link is the only option to get into the channel safe, okay? Peace out.